Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for mastering the PTE exam with confidence. Today, we're going to practice one of the most scoring tasks, describe an image. I'll show you an image, walk you through the best way to analyze it, and then share a perfect 40-second sample answer you can model your own response on. So grab your notebook, sit tight, and get ready to boost your speaking score. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. This flowchart outlines the life cycle of a frog. The process begins with an adult frog laying eggs in the water. The eggs then hatch and transform into tadpoles. These tadpoles have gills and live underwater, and they gradually grow legs and lungs, allowing them to breathe air. As they continue to develop, they become froglets, which lose their tails. Finally, the froglets mature into full-grown adult frogs, which can live both on land and in water, and the cycle repeats. Overall, this diagram effectively visualizes the various stages of a frog's development from an egg to an adult. This diagram illustrates the process of the water cycle. The cycle begins with evaporation, where water from oceans and lakes turns into vapor and rises into the atmosphere. Next, the vapor cools and condenses to form clouds. When the clouds become saturated, precipitation occurs, and the water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, snow, or hail. The water then collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans, and the cycle begins again. To summarize, the diagram effectively shows the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. This photograph shows a majestic view of a mountain range. The mountains dominate the center of the image, with their peaks covered in snow. The sky above is a clear blue, creating a stark contrast with the rugged, gray rock faces. In the foreground, a valley with patches of green vegetation and a small river can be seen, providing a sense of scale to the massive mountains. The image as a whole evokes a feeling of awe and tranquility, capturing the raw beauty of a natural landscape. This photograph depicts the interior of an ancient Roman amphitheater. The image shows several rows of stone seating arranged in a semicircular shape, rising up from a central, sandy arena. The structure is made of large stone blocks, some of which appear worn and weathered. The architecture suggests a grand scale, designed to hold a large number of spectators. The overall impression is one of historical significance and grandeur. This Venn diagram compares the characteristics of plant cells and animal cells. The plant cell circle includes features like a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole. The animal cell circle lists features such as a cell membrane and lysosomes. The overlapping region in the center shows the features that are common to both types of cells, including a nucleus, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. To summarize, the diagram highlights the key differences and similarities between plant and animal cells. And that's how you can describe an image like a pro. Remember, the more you practice, the more fluent and confident you'll become. If you found today's practice helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who are preparing for PTE, and drop your practice answers in the comments. I love seeing how you're improving. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be back with more real exam-style practice to get you that high score. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep winning.